How to fix Canva student app not working. Hey guys, welcome to the channel and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. To fix your Canva student application not working, firstly check for the Wi-Fi connection. If your Wi-Fi is acting up, you can switch into mobile data or airplane mode for about 3 seconds, then turn it back off. After which, try to launch the application once again. If the issue still persists, check out this next step. Open up your phone settings. Scroll down until you see the option of Apps. Tap on All Apps. Tap on the search icon to search for Canva Student. First step, tap on the 4-step button and OK. This will forcefully update the application. Next step, head to Storage and Cache and tap on Clear Cache. This will remove any of the bug or the glitch issue that might be causing the problem. After this, you can go ahead and relaunch your application and I bet this should work. If the problem still persists, open up your Play Store or App Store if you are using an iOS device. Tap on the search bar. Then in here, search for Canva Student. Check if there is any of the available update for the app. If there is any, make sure to update your application. If not, the last resort is to uninstall the application and reinstall it later. And just like that, you have made it to the end of the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.